Teardown Step 2, JBC Teardown. Facing the rear of the JBC, begin teardown by removing the black power cord. Then remove the gray connection cable by first turning each thumb screw counterclockwise until it is loose, and then detaching the cable from its socket. Twist the dial on the black battery key counterclockwise until it is loose, and then remove the plug from the socket. Now detach the other end of the JBC's gray connection cable from the rear socket of booth number 1. Twisting the thumb screws counterclockwise until they are loose, remove the cable end. Wrap the cord and place it with the JBC. Next, remove the JBC power cord from the UPS. Wrap the cord and place it with the JBC. Locate the JBC box and open it. Remove the remaining paper supply rolls and set the JBC inside the box. Place both connection cords on top of the JBC. Lastly, place the paper supply rolls inside and close the box.